Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha here. Today we are going to do something stress buster, or you can say anti-stress, which you will love to do when you're getting bored or when you want to relax. So we are going to do doodling. Yes, doodling. And this one is like you can do it with using anything means any kind of pen, pencil, marker, sketch pen, whatever you have. You can use anything and you can just start with it. So let's start with our first doodle. In this, what I'm doing is I'm just using a pencil and I'm tracing some circle. It is not required that it should be a perfect circle. It can be any shape, random shape. If you're new for this, it's okay. Just grab a pencil or a pen and start with it. You can use different size or shape for the circle or whatever shape you want to add. You can vary with the size of the shape. As I have used different shapes and sizes for the this doodle, so it might be look like a stone in the last once it is finished. Starting with our second doodle, just grab a pen, marker, anything, whatever sort of things you have, just grab it and start scribbling. Once you are satisfied with the lines, how much lines you need, what we are doing is use any pen or fine tip pen or anything, just the edges or the square pointed areas we will make a curve, as you can see. Just relax and enjoy this simple and easy doodle patterns. You will enjoy it. Here comes our third doodle. In this, I'm just making straight lines. Yes, in a sleeping way and standing, or you can say horizontal or vertical lines. And if you want this lines to be equal, so what I'm doing is I'm taking a count of 8, so all the boxes will be equal. You can increase the count as per your choice, and even the size, like I'm making a medium size boxes. If you want to very small boxes you can do, or you can do a very big size of the boxes. Starting with our fourth doodle, in this I'm making a oval shape, only the middle parts are little straight, or you can say a rectangular shape with oval corners. So you can try this like a brick kind of form. Yeah, we'll continue with this. If you want to keep this like this, means no coloring, no shading, you can keep it like this, or else using a marker. If you want to give a shade to the outer corners, means the inside one will be without any color and outer will be the darker side, you can keep it like that, or you can fill the inside of the this shape and keep the outer one blank, or you can leave it just like that. Starting with the fifth doodle, in this I'm just using a shape of a drop. Now it depends upon you which side you want the movement of the drop, so it will form as a flower, and we will use the same shape all over the box. For this you can do one more option, like here I am putting the drops corner inwards. In other portion what you can do, you can keep the drops corners outwards, so you will get another one new shape. You can try that also. Starting with our sixth doodle, in this I'm just using a shape square, and I'm filling the same square with the same square shapes as you can see. And what we are going to do is we are just making the same shape all over the box, and we will fill the box according to that shape. And later what we'll do, using a pencil, we'll just give a little shade so that it will give you a depth kind of thing. Now if you want to smudge the pencil shading, you can use a cotton swab, or you can use a very fine cloth using your pen backside tip or any brush backside tip. You can just rub it off, so it will give you a shade. Starting with our seventh doodle, in this I'm just using a shape circle, and I'll fill the same circle with using the same shape as what we have done before. No need to be precise. You can use the same shape in different sizes to fill the full box, and it will come out beautifully. Starting with our last and the eighth doodle, in this we are just making some wavy lines. In this wavy line, some of the points should connect to each other. Now filling these wavy lines with some curve. You can do the curve in two directions, it's your wish. Either you can write in a C form or you can do it in a D form. You will get some valley kind of pattern. And in this also, if you want to give some shading, so what you can do, where there is dark lines, you can just add little pencil shading, and you can again smudge it off with the using any cotton swab or cloth. It's your wish. Hope these simple and basic doodle patterns were useful to you. And if you like it, do subscribe to my channel, like, and please give your feedback in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching.